Today we will tour 38032 North Pagoda Lane in Phoenix, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you want to call home. Service Star Realty has been doing property management in Phoenix, Arizona since we opened our doors in 2011. We strive to be the best property management company in Phoenix. This is a great 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home on a corner lot. This home is conveniently located to the I-17 highway and the 303. It is just minutes from shopping and dining. The community provides access to state-of-the-art amenities including a rock climbing wall, sparkling lap pool, tennis, pickleball, softball, and movies in the park. This home is available, and if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. You can view more photos of this home, make an appointment to view it at your own convenience, and you can apply for this home as well. Again, that's leaseaz.com. You will love the wide-open great room that is perfect for entertaining. The kitchen features ample cabinets and appliances for easy meal prep, while the private backyard is low maintenance and spacious. Here we have the laundry, with a washer and dryer for your convenience. The split floor plan is ideal, with the primary bedroom suite located on its own side for privacy. Thank you for watching today's tour of this beautiful home in Phoenix. Have a wonderful day.